In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save file from Adobe Acrobat tutorial. By the end, you'll feel confident saving your work the right way. Whether you are making quick edits to a PDF or creating a renamed copy in a different location. Let's start with the quickest option. The floppy disk icon in the top left corner of Adobe Acrobat. Whenever you see that classic save icon, a single click will save your current changes to the existing file. This is perfect for those moments when you are annotating, highlighting, or fixing small details and you just want to lock in your progress without changing the file name or location. Think of it as a fast, no questions asked update to the document you already have open. If you are in the middle of a longer session, make a habit of clicking that icon regularly so your edits are safely preserved. If you prefer using the menu bar, you can accomplish the very same quick save from the File menu. Go to File, then choose Save. This does exactly what the icon does. It updates the current PDF where it already lives, under the same name. Some people like this route because it's predictable and always in the same place across versions of Acrobat. Either method icon or File then Save gives you a reliable way to keep your file up to date without creating duplicates. Now, if you need a new copy, a different name, or a new location, use Save As. Open the File menu and select Save As. On Windows, you can also open the hamburger menu and choose Save As from there. Save As is ideal when you want to create a versioned file, back up a draft, or store the same document in another folder. When the Save As dialog appears, pick the folder where you want the file to go. Then type a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later. This step keeps your original file intact while producing a separate copy with your chosen name and location. It's especially helpful before making major changes or when you want to share a variant of your PDF without overwriting your master file. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.